What are the important ingredients to be present in a day cream? A day cream should include sunscreen and vitamin C. Sunscreen is for the sun protection factor and vitamin C is to brighten the skin, also to reduce pigmentation and increases cell melanin to protect from the sun. Thus, use a day cream with SPF. Are you eager to produce a day cream at your home? If yes, we help you with a step-by-step practical demonstration showing how to make a day cream along with the advanced formulation technique to ensure you create a safe and stable products at your home.